Hi everyone, I am so happy to be back, and I am coming back with another Mackenzie child-inspired Christmas DIY. You're going to need some scrapbook paper. I got mine from Hobby Lobby, and it's again going to be in the black and white check. And then your Dollar Tree ornaments, and I bought 3 of these. So if you go, I'm sure they have them now. I've seen them in mine anyway. So I'm going to turn them over and use them that way. Then you're going to need your glue stick, a pencil to trace your ornament on, and whatever embellishments that you want to put onto your ornament. So now I'm going to set this to music and let you enjoy the process, and I'll be back at the very end.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year.
now I'm getting ready to put them up where I'm going to use them for my home tour and for my decor. I can't wait to show you guys. These turned out really cute. Took very little to make them, mostly Dollar Tree items except for the paper, the words, the ornament itself, and the embellishments, all Dollar Tree. I hope you make this, guys. Until we get together again, remember the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon. Bye.